Introducing the 2020 Skoda Kodiaq 7S STY 2.0 TD 190 DSG 4x4 door AU in sleek grey. This reliable SUV is packed with premium features like Bluetooth, satellite navigation, and ambient lighting for a luxurious driving experience. With safety features such as ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking, you can drive with peace of mind. Plus, enjoy convenience with amenities like power steering, rear armrest, and smartphone integration. This vehicle has undergone a full, multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this fantastic offer. Call us now or visit spiritskoda.ie for more information. Drive home in style today.